Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW 5 Series headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a Torx T25 bit, and a new headlight assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the battery is disconnected to prevent electrical issues. Next, you will need to carefully remove the front bumper cover to gain full access to the headlight unit. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Once the bumper is off, you'll see the headlight assembly clearly. Use your Torx T25 bit to remove the several screws holding the unit in place. There are typically 3 to 4 screws. After the screws are out, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors and wiring harnesses from the back of the headlight. Take your time here to avoid damaging any wires. Then, gently pull the old headlight unit straight out. Now, it's time to install your brand new headlight. Carefully slide the new assembly into the opening, making sure it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the back of the new headlight, ensuring each connection is secure and snug. Then, reinsert and tighten the Torx screws you removed earlier. Make sure the headlight is firmly seated and doesn't wobble. With the new headlight in place, carefully reattach the front bumper cover. Make sure all clips and screws are securely fastened to prevent any rattling or misalignment. Once the bumper is back on, reconnect your vehicle's battery terminal. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight's functionality. Check both the low beams and high beams to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.